Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get PlayStation Plus on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and apps. If you go here to the game library, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find game, media, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to get or to buy PlayStation Plus on the PlayStation 5, go ahead and click on PlayStation Plus right here in the games section. And then once you do that, here you're gonna find the option to subscribe to PlayStation Plus. Go ahead and click on it, and then as you can see guys right here, you're gonna find three offers. So basically guys, here you're gonna find the premium offer, also the extra offer, and lastly the essential offer. If you want to compare the functionalities of the three offers, just go ahead and click on square, and then as you can see guys right here, you're gonna find the perks of every offer right here. For example, if you want to buy this one, just click on it, and then here as you can see guys, click on accept. Once you do that right here, you can click right here to accept, and then click on order and pay. Once you click on order and pay, you're gonna be right here. All you need to do guys, once you're here, is add your payment method, and once you do that, just go ahead and add it. Then you're gonna be able to buy PlayStation Plus. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.